In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transitions on Google Slides. Transitions are the quick visual effects that play as you move from one slide to the next, and in Google Slides, you control them from the transition, also called motion, panel. Here's how to set them up clearly and confidently on a computer. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. Click the slide you want to enhance. Now open the transition controls by going to the slide menu and choosing transition, or by right-clicking the slide and selecting transition. When you do, the motion panel appears on the right side of your screen. Under slide transition, pick the effect you want. You'll see options like fade for a smooth crossfade, dissolve to gently blend one slide into the next, slide from right or slide from left for a horizontal move, flip for a card-like flip, cube for a 3D cube rotation, and gallery for a photo gallery style movement. As you try different choices, think about the mood of your presentation and the pacing you want your audience to feel. Use the speed slider to fine-tune how quickly the transition plays. Drag toward slower for a more relaxed, subtle change, or toward faster to keep momentum high. To see how it looks, click. Play in the motion panel and preview the effect without leaving the editor. If something feels distracting, just switch to a simpler option or adjust the speed until it supports your message rather than stealing attention from it. If you find a transition you love and want the same look across your entire deck, apply it everywhere in a single click. After choosing a transition, select Apply to all slides. From that point, every slide will use the same effect, which can create a clean, consistent flow. These steps mirror the process described in the official Slides help documentation, so you're using the tool exactly as intended. A quick note on best practices. Many presentation guides recommend limiting yourself to one or two transition styles and keeping them subtle. Simple choices like fade are a safe bet for school or business presentations because they feel professional and don't interrupt your narrative. Reserve more dynamic options like cube or flip for moments when you truly want a visual change to underline a shift in content. That's all you need. Open your deck, choose a slide, set an effect, adjust the speed, preview, and apply it across your presentation if you want a consistent result.